Let's have some Cynful spaghetti Alfredo tonight. We're going to start out by adding about a tablespoon of olive oil to the chicken. Then we're going to salt and pepper it. And next we're adding some of that wonderful Adam's Reserve white wine and garlic butter seasoning. I'm going to give you a link on how to get it, but it's one of those seasonings I don't do without. It's super versatile. Stir that up and get the chicken coated. Then add it to your pan with 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Add a little bit of chicken broth to that. We're going to scrape the bottom of the pan, get all that fond off, and continue cooking till it's done. Once that chicken is done, we're going to remove it from the pan and set it aside, and then give it another tablespoon of olive oil and add the mushrooms and the onions. Cook those down until the onions are translucent, the mushrooms start to soften, and then add that white wine. Again, we're going to scrape the bottom of the pan, get all that fond, and cook it down until there's almost no liquid left. Set that aside with the chicken and throw 2 tablespoons of butter into that pan. Then go ahead and add your heavy cream. I did it about 2 cups at a time. And keep it stirring. You want to stir it until it starts to thicken. Bring it to a good solid simmer. And once it gets somewhat thick, go ahead and start adding your Parmesan cheese in small amounts. Stir and let it melt in between times. Once it's to your desired thickness, well, this time the pasta was done, so I went ahead and added about a ladle of it to keep it from sticking. But once it's done to your desired thickness, add a pat of butter, that last tablespoon. And then taste it for flavor. Add salt and pepper as needed. And then return the chicken and the mushrooms to the sauce. Stir that in to coat that chicken and mushroom. And that's it. It's done. Put it over some of that pasta. Serve it right up. Throw a little bit of Parmesan cheese on top. Maybe even a little bit of basil. It's a beautiful dish. I do have a link to a printable recipe in the video description, so check that out. But here's your recipe anyway. I sure would like to thank you for joining me in my kitchen today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.